Hello and welcome to Data Engineering with Supercharge. Today, we are going to explore a powerful tool to make your dashboards lightning fast, BigQuery BI Engine. Have you ever clicked a filter on a dashboard and then waited and waited? Slow dashboards are a major bottleneck for businesses, frustrating users and delaying important decisions. But what if we could eliminate this waiting time? Enter BigQuery BI Engine. It's a fast, in-memory analysis service built right into BigQuery. Think of it as a turbocharger for your data. Its goal is to provide sub-second query responses, even with many users accessing dashboards at the same time. So how does this magic work? When your BI tool sends a query, BI Engine intercepts it. If it can answer the query from its super-fast in-memory cache, it does so immediately. If not, the request simply passes through to the standard BigQuery engine. The best part is, this entire process is completely transparent to you and your users. Two core concepts make this possible. First is in-memory acceleration. By keeping data in RAM instead of on disk, access is incredibly fast. Second is smart caching. BI Engine is intelligent. It doesn't just cache whole tables. It can execute parts of queries, like filters and calculations, in memory, speeding up even complex requests. So, when is it a good idea to use BI Engine? It's perfect for highly interactive dashboards where users are constantly slicing and dicing data. It excels in high concurrency situations with many users. And it's ideal for accelerating access to your most important, frequently queried datasets. Now, let's talk about cost. BI Engine pricing is straightforward. You are billed for the amount of memory capacity you reserve per hour. This is a separate charge on top of your standard BigQuery costs. The key is to monitor your usage and right-size your reservation to get the performance you need without overspending. Setting up BI Engine is incredibly simple. The first step is to create a memory reservation. In the Google Cloud Console, under BigQuery, navigate to BI Engine. You will specify the project, the location which must match your dataset's location, and the amount of memory you want to reserve. It's best to start small and scale up as you monitor performance. The second step is optional but highly recommended. You can configure preferred tables. This allows you to explicitly tell BI Engine which tables are most important to keep in the cache. This is great for ensuring your most critical, high-visibility dashboards are always fast and responsive. Once it's running, how do you know if it's working or if your reservation is the right size? BigQuery provides helpful monitoring views in the information schema. You can query these views to see how much of your reserved capacity is being used and which jobs were accelerated by BI Engine, allowing you to fine-tune your configuration. So to recap, BI Engine is BigQuery's in-memory acceleration layer. It's designed to give you sub-second query performance on your BI dashboards. It's priced based on reserved memory, is very easy to set up, and should be monitored to ensure you have the right balance of performance and cost. That's all for this deep dive into BigQuery BI Engine. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your colleagues. Thanks for watching and happy engineering!